Say goodbye to lower back pain with these top natural remedies. In this video, you'll discover proven methods to relieve discomfort and improve your quality of life. You might think you know how to handle back pain, but we're diving into some powerful, lesser-known remedies that can make a real difference. We've done extensive research to bring you the best tips, backed by science. Stick around to find out how you can live pain-free starting today. We'll cover everything from effective stretching and exercise routines to using heat and cold therapy for immediate relief. You'll learn about herbal remedies that have stood the test of time, how maintaining proper posture can make a huge difference, and the benefits of massage therapy. We'll also discuss the importance of achieving and maintaining a healthy weight and making sleep position adjustments for better support. I've personally struggled with lower back pain, and these remedies have truly transformed my life. I'm excited to share them with you so you can experience the same relief and get back to doing the things you love. You need to consult with your healthcare professional before trying any new remedies, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions or concerns. Your health and well-being are paramount, and seeking professional guidance can ensure that any remedies chosen are safe and appropriate for individual needs. Let's dive in and start our journey to a pain-free life. Stretching and exercise. Regular stretching and specific exercises can significantly reduce lower back pain. Stretching helps to improve flexibility, increase blood flow to the muscles, and reduce stiffness, which are all essential for alleviating pain and preventing future issues. When you incorporate stretching into your daily routine, you help maintain the health and flexibility of your spine. Some of the most effective stretches for lower back pain include cat-cow stretch. Gently warms up and stretches the spine, improving posture and balance. Child's pose. Excellent for stretching the lower back muscles and promoting relaxation. Lower back rotation stretch. Improves mobility in the spine and relieves tension in the lower back. According to a study published in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science in 2015, stretching exercises improved lower back pain symptoms by 30%. By dedicating just a few minutes each day to these stretches, you can experience a noticeable reduction in pain and an improvement in your overall quality of life. Before we move on to the next segment, let's take a quick moment for some important housekeeping. If you're getting value from the content, remember to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Sharing this video helps others discover it and signals the YouTube algorithm to recommend it to those who could benefit the most. Feel free to tell us your story in the comments below. Your input can make a difference. Let's work together to spread positivity and knowledge where it's needed. Thank you for being a part of our community. Next, cold and heat therapy. Cold and heat therapy are powerful tools for managing lower back pain. These therapies target different aspects of pain and inflammation, providing immediate and long-term relief. Alternating between heat and cold can be particularly effective, as each has unique benefits. Cold therapy, cryotherapy, beneficial immediately following an injury or during back pain flare-ups. Use a cold pack or consider a cold dip in a bathtub filled with cold water. Soak in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes several times a day during the first 48 hours of an injury. Reduces inflammation, constricts blood vessels, and provides significant pain relief. Heat therapy, ideal for relaxing and loosening tissues and stimulating blood flow to the affected area. Apply heat using a heating pad, a warm bath, or a heat wrap. Effective for chronic back pain and muscle tightness. Apply heat for about 20 minutes to ease muscle tension and improve mobility. A study published in the Spine Journal in 2002 found that heat therapy significantly reduced pain after just 1 week of treatment. This highlights the importance of incorporating heat therapy into your pain management routine. By using both heat and cold therapy strategically, you can tackle lower back pain from multiple angles, promoting faster healing and long-term relief. Next, herbal remedy. Certain herbs have anti-inflammatory properties that can help with pain relief. These natural remedies have been used for centuries to treat various ailments, and modern science is beginning to confirm their effectiveness in managing lower back pain. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound shown to reduce inflammation and pain. Add turmeric to your diet as a spice or in supplement form. Ginger, potent anti-inflammatory herb that can provide relief. Consume as tea, add to meals, or take as a supplement. Devil's claw, traditionally used to treat pain and inflammation. Studies show it can reduce pain and improve mobility in individuals with lower back pain, taken in capsule form or as tea. Research in the journal Pain Medicine in 2016 showed that turmeric reduced pain levels by 25% in patients with lower back pain. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can provide natural, effective relief from lower back pain, allowing you to lead a more comfortable and active life. Next, proper posture. Maintaining proper posture can prevent and alleviate back pain by keeping your spine aligned and reducing strain on muscles and joints. Poor posture, whether sitting or standing, can cause chronic lower back pain. Good sitting posture. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Place your feet flat on the floor. Ensure your knees are at the right angle. Position your hips as far back in the chair as possible. Use a chair with good lumbar support or place a small pillow behind your lower back. Good standing posture. Distribute your weight evenly on both feet. Keep your shoulders back. Avoid slouching. A study from the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy in 2009 found that proper posture can reduce lower back stress by up to 50%. Good posture not only reduces back pain, but also boosts energy, improves circulation, and enhances your mood. By making a conscious effort to maintain good posture throughout the day, you can protect your back and enjoy a healthier, more aligned body. Next, massage therapy. Regular massages can loosen tight muscles and improve circulation, providing relief from lower back pain. Massage therapy helps relax muscle tissue, reducing painful contractions and spasms. It also increases blood flow, bringing necessary nutrients and oxygen to sore muscles and tissues. Consider getting professional massages from a licensed therapist who specializes in back pain. Techniques like deep tissue massage or trigger point therapy can relieve tension. If professional massages aren't an option, self-massage with a foam roller can also help. Foam rolling can break down muscle knots and improve flexibility. A study in the Annals of Internal Medicine in 2011 found that weekly massages for 10 weeks improved back pain symptoms in 63% of participants. Whether through professional sessions or self-massages, incorporating regular massages into your routine can provide substantial relief. Massage therapy not only eases pain, but also promotes relaxation and reduces stress. By making time for regular massages, you can manage your back pain more effectively and improve your quality of life. Next, achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces strain on your lower back. Extra weight, especially around your midsection, shifts your center of gravity forward, stressing your lower back and increasing the risk of chronic issues. To reach and stay at a healthy weight, eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Exercise regularly, including cardio and strength training. Research in the American Journal of Epidemiology in 2010 shows that weight loss significantly reduces lower back pain. By focusing on healthy eating and exercise, you can ease the strain on your lower back and improve overall health, reducing the risk of other health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Next, sleep position adjustment. Proper sleep positions can ease back pain and improve sleep quality. Your sleeping posture affects how rested you feel in the morning. Making simple changes to your sleep position and using supportive pillows can reduce strain on your lower back and help you wake up feeling refreshed. Sleeping on your side maintains your spine's natural curve and prevents twisting. Place a pillow between your knees to support alignment, and relieve pressure on your lower back. Sleeping on your back or stomach. Use a supportive pillow under your abdomen or knees to maintain spinal alignment and reduce strain on your back muscles. Research in the Journal of Sleep Medicine in 2014 shows that proper sleep positioning reduces lower back pressure and improves sleep quality. Adjusting your sleep position and using supportive pillows can alleviate discomfort and improve your overall well-being. Implement these natural remedies consistently to experience relief from lower back pain. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. Try these remedies today and say goodbye to lower back pain. Check out the video on the screen for more healthy tips.